Mabuhay, this is Alexi from Davao City. This is about the job seeker. After the final interview, when you are officially hired by the company, then that is the way it is. Try to understand your designation in job responsibility. You should know dedication to your career. Show your hard work, patience, loyalty, and be committed to the company. Please be committed to your fellow employees. Be an asset to the company, not liabilities. Please love your work and love the people. Di lang puro sweldo or sahod ang nasa isip. Thank you everyone. Thank you for always watching me. Thank you for always following me. Thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel and following my Facebook Reels. This is Alexi from Davao City, Philippines.